purpose today is solving this mathematics simplification question. This is actually WAEC 2013. WAEC 2013. They asked this simplification question. So let's see how we can solve it. In a previous video, I told you that in simplification, the sequence has to follow Bodman's. The first thing, let's solve the upper part before we solve the lower part. How do we do that? We have in the upper part one whole number 7/8 multiplied by two whole number 2/5. Right? So let us change the improper fraction to, let us change the mixed fraction to improper fractions. How do we do that? 8 times 1 will give us 8 plus 7 equals to 15. 15 all over 8. Multiplied by 2 times 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. We have 12/5. We can divide. What can go? 2 can go. 2 into 8 will give us 4. 2 into this will give us 6. What can still go? 2 can still go. 2 into this will give us 2. 2 into this will give us 3. Right? What can go between 5 and 15? 5 can divide 5, 1. 5 into 15 will give us 3. Right? So in the upper part, we now have 3 times 3. 3 times 3. So now be 3 multiply 3. 3 multiply 3. All over. Lower part is 2 multiply 1. 2 multiply 1. Which will now have 3 times 3 is 9/2. So in the upper part, after solving this upper part, we are able to get 9/2. Let's look at the lower part. In the lower part, we have 6 whole number 3/4 divided by 3 whole number over 4. Like I always say, anytime you have division, you change that division to become multiplication, and the lower number will go up and the up one will come down. This is what we will do. It will be. Let us change this first to an improper fraction. 4 times 6 is what? 24. 24 plus this plus 3 will give us 27/4. Divided by 3/4. And let us change the division to multiplication. It will now be 27/4 multiplied by 4 will go up while 3 comes down. So because we have changed division to multiplication, remember like I always do. So it will now be multiplied by 4 all over 3. Now what do we do? 4 divide 4. 4 into 4, 1. 4 into 4, 1. Right? 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 27 is 9. We will now have in the lower division, we have 9 times 1 all over 1 times 1. So in the lower division, we just have 9. So after solving this one, we got 9/2. And after solving the lower part, we got 9. So it will now be 9/2 all over 9. You can also say 9/1 because 9/1 and 9 are the same thing. Which is also another way of stating this is 9/2 divided by 9/1. Remember our division. We have to change it to multiplication. It will now be 9/2 multiplied by 1 will now come up. 1/9. Are you following? We now have, remember we changed division to multiplication, and 1 which was down now came up, and 9 which was up now came down. So we can divide. Okay, we now have 9. 9 can divide 9. 9 can divide 9. So 9 divide 9 1. 9 divide 9 1. Then we now have 2 1. 1 times 1 1. 2 times 1 2. So after solving this set of values, we have simplified it to 1/2. Remember, like I always say, take it slowly, watch the video over and over again so that you understand the concept clearly. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not subscribed. Then invite your classmates, your friends, your children, everybody to subscribe. Follow up other classes. There are other videos we have done on this simplification case. You can also follow other videos. If you have questions, if there's anything you don't understand here, feel free to ask us now. Always feel free to connect to us, and God will bless you. Thank you.